In this video, I'm going to be telling you the harsh truth about starting a clothing brand. A lot of people always wait. They are waiting for the perfect time. They are waiting for all the stars to align, everything. They have money, everything. But it doesn't work like that. Majority of the time, let's say you are waiting till you get like 5 million naira before you start your brand. The thing is, when you get that 5 million, you end up blowing it and you are not going to make any money back. It is even way better coming from me that started my brand without literally almost nothing. I had to find ways to fund my brand. I can genuinely tell you that starting your brand with little is going to make you more creative than if you have a lot of money. Because if you have a lot of money, you will just feel like throwing money on any problem is going to solve it. But it's not really going to solve it. And there is never going to be a time where you'll be ready. Trust me. There will be no time where you'll be like, oh, I'm ready to do this now. So it's better you start before you know how to. And if, let's say, it's difficult for you, you don't know how to go about it, you don't know how to start or where to start from, you can DM me on any of my social media and join Absa Academy, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. It is a mentorship program that I run, and right now there are like about 60 students in the group. You can ask me questions, or you can even ask questions in the group, and they will help you out. It's like a community that we've built now. And trust me, majority of them started with as little as just money for sample. Some of them started, yes, they came in with a lot of money, but some also started with as little as just money for sample. If you start with limited amount of money, it will go better than you think it would, and you don't know how it would go. That is one thing again. You don't know how it will go until you start. Most people want to have all the information before they start. They'll watch a lot of TikTok videos, watch a lot of YouTube videos, but all those videos are not going to be the same thing as you experiencing, because you don't know where your challenge will come from. You don't know if your challenge would be working on design. You don't know if your challenge would be making content. You don't know if your challenge would be even the product itself. Do you understand? So just start before you know how to, and in the process you will just keep learning, keep growing, keep learning, keep growing. When you make mistakes, because mistakes are inevitable, no matter how you try to not make mistakes. Even up till now, one issue I'm facing right now, and this is me being vulnerable with you, one issue I'm facing right now is a collaboration I did with an artist. And because I'm working with an artist, this is not something that most of my audience resonates with. It's difficult for me to make sales, but this is where I will now be creative by trying to find ways to run the brand, trying to find ways to generate sales, trying to find ways to promote and sell. But just know that challenges is just part of the process. It is inevitable. No matter how hard you try to avoid it, no matter how hard you feel like you can calculate from beginning to end, that mistake, you will definitely make it. Even up to big brands, they still make mistakes. Another thing again that people are scared of is they say, oh, there's a recession going on right now. Now it's not the best time to start a business. I started the business in the middle of a pandemic. I started my brand when there was COVID. So that same time, people were also saying, there's COVID going on. This is the wrong time to start a business. So if you are listening to people, or you feel like there's going to be a time where they'll say this is the right time to start a business, that time does not exist. If you are waiting for the time where you feel like you have learned everything before you start, that time does not exist. So start before you know how to. That is the main advice that I'll tell you now. Start before you know how to. First, because a lot of people don't know that the first thing about you starting a brand is even picking a name and logo. And some people DM me, they want to start a brand, they have all the ideas, they have this, they have that, and I ask them, what is the name of your brand? They tell me, do you have a logo for your brand? No, they don't have a logo. Do you have design? No, they don't have design. So what do you have? You only have an idea. Bro, do you know how easy it is to come up with ideas? Me right now, I can sit down and even come up with an idea that in my mind, this is $1 billion idea, but it is not going to be actually worth that until I start. Do you understand? So you need to start. Take that first step. What will you do first? Figure out name, design logo. If you don't even have money, or you are waiting for money to come, it's perfect for you. It means you have a lot of time, because in this world, it's either you have money or you have time. You cannot be broke and don't have time. You need to go and rethink your life. If you are broke and you don't have time, you honestly need to rethink your life or set your priorities straight. Sit down and tell yourself, okay, if I don't have money, money is the reason, because that is the major, like the excuse a lot of people give. I don't have money, so I cannot start. I don't have money, so I cannot start. If you don't have money, that means you have time. Use that time to develop a skill that will be beneficial for your brand. As you are developing the skill, you are building your brand, you are doing new designs, you create social media for the brand, you posting it on the brand account. That is, you have already started. Because if you even do this small thing that I've said right now, you are way ahead of majority of the people. Some people join Absa Academy, they don't have name, they don't have logo, they don't have anything. They are starting from scratch. And even upon that, I still help them start from that process of being from scratch, all till the point of them dropping their first design. So even if, let's say, you cannot join the Absa Academy at this point for one reason or another, start on your own. Create your social media account, design a logo, come up with your first design, be doing all those things, and you'll see that as you are doing all those things, you can try to hustle some money on the side. And when you hustle some money, you will now put it into ordering your first sample. When your first sample comes, you will market it on social media, and before you know it now, you've already started your brand, and your brand will take off. This is not something easy, because a lot of people make it look like, I know me included, some of my content makes it look like starting a brand is easy. It is easy to start, but to keep going is difficult. Do you know what is more difficult than starting a brand in recession? It is running a brand in recession. Because right now, operation cost for my brand last year is not the same operation cost for my brand this year. So it means I have to recalculate with my accountant to be able to come up with a good cost to be able to sell my products, and for it to be able to fund the brand, and for the brand to keep going. So don't think about the bigger picture, just think about it one step at a time. What level are you on right now? That is the first question you need to ask yourself. What level am I on right now? Then past that level, do I have a name now? If I don't have a name, start thinking of name. Okay, I have name. What next? Logo. That's just how you need to take it. Look at it as a step-by-step thing. Don't look at it as, I need to solve all the problems first before I start the brand, because you will never solve all the problems. Even as I told you, up till now, I am still even trying to solve problems. But that is going to be the conclusion. I hope that I've been able to inspire or motivate you to start your brand today. If you are having difficulty starting your brand, you can DM me on any of my socials and I'll help you out. You can join Absa Academy. I'll mentor you through every step of the way in you running your clothing brand. And trust me, from the testimonial that I have from the group, everybody that have joined Absa Academy can tell you it's going to be worth it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment what parts that you found insightful, or you can also let me know what level are you on right now. I read all my comments and I respond to all my comments. Let me know what level you are on right now, and I can tell you the next step that you need to take in order for you to progress your brand. Don't forget, I am Abdrazak Sani. My goal is to grow the most impactful brand in the world.